Okay, so first we have to find the magnitude. So the square root of 4 squared plus negative 7 squared is the square root of 16 plus 49, which is the square root of 65. That doesn't simplify. So then the unit vector in the same direction as v, sorry I shouldn't have used this pen to write words, it looks great to circle something though, is 4 root 65 over 65i minus 7 root 65 over 65j. Now the direction. How do we come up with direction? We have to think about trig. So if I draw a vector v, I know I went 4 to the right and 7 down, so I'm in the fourth quadrant here. So I have a right triangle. I'll call the angle inside of it theta prime, and then the angle outside is going to be the theta that I want to find. I know tangent of theta is negative 7 over 4. Theta prime is the tangent inverse of negative 7 over 4. That's approximately negative 60.255 degrees. So theta is theta prime plus 360, because I don't really want to use a negative angle for a direction. I mean, come on. So that's 299.745 degrees. So that's the direction. We'll deal more with direction a little bit later, but for right now I just kind of wanted to point it out to you. So that is the direction, but what's more important is that this vector here is a unit vector in the same direction as vector v. Alright, the zero vector. So the vector whose magnitude is 0 is called the zero vector, 0. The zero vector is assigned no direction. It can be expressed in terms of I and j using 0 equals 0i plus 0j. That's about it with the zero vector. And then more properties of vector addition and scalar multiplication. So these are all on your sheet as well that I gave you. So most of them are kind of common sense or properties of normal algebra that we are used to. So I'll just kind of scroll through these. You can look at them on your sheet. It should make sense. If you're confused on anything, let me know. Okay, so conclusion. Vectors are directed line segments that do not have to belong to a location, so they can shift wherever you want them to shift. Understand the various ways to write a vector: vector form, component form, and rectangular form. A unit vector is a vector of magnitude 1. Magnitude represents the length, therefore it is always going to be positive. It is the distance formula. Understand how basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all of that stuff relates to vectors. Have a good night.